this beautiful diaper bag by Dane. You can find it in Amazon for $89.99. For me, it was free shipping because I am a Prime member, but I'm not sure if normally it's free shipping. It is in this vegan leather material. If you're familiar with the font design, the new colors, I think it's the dusty blue, and I don't remember the other one. It is the same same fabric, I guess, same vegan leather that is soft. It does not have a texture. I like it a lot, and it does have a smell, but if you leave it outside for like 2 days, the smell will go away, or my nose have got used to it, I'm not sure. So either one, I think the smell went away. It does come with 2 pockets here in the front. If you feel these pockets, you won't be able to snap this easy like this. So I don't carry anything there. Right now I actually just have chapstick here, but that's it, and I don't have anything on this pocket. It also comes with this ring in the front in case you want to hang your keys there, or if you want to hang something pretty like a key ring to make it look better, I guess, or to decorate your bag. It comes with this big pocket here in the front with this zipper. I have here pretty much the things I carry in the front pocket on my JuJuBe bags. I have my wallet, and I have my baby Ganics, and usually I have my phone, my car keys, and my chapstick in here. I just put the chapstick in here just to see if it was going to close. I tried doing the baby Ganics on the front pockets and hand sanitizer, and it didn't close, so I just left everything in here. Then on the sides you have pockets as well. They're not insulated or anything. On this side I have a bottle. Is it from, I don't know what, OXO, the brand. And this bottle, what I usually just do, put puffs and Cheetos and crackers in there, because he had been learning to grab stuff, and the other containers that I have, one is too big, the other one has like that plastic on top, and he can kind of play with that instead of just sticking his hand and taking the stuff out. So I find this one better for him, and for him to be able to put all his hand there and grab what he wants. So I like this one. And then on the other side I have a bottle. We're still breastfeeding, but we were going to my mom's house, and then pretty much I just bring breast milk in case I want to go out. I just leave some milk with them, and I can just go and run errands. Here I have my Passy pot with the new rose gold collection from JuJuBe, and usually I just put 2 pacifiers in here. And in the back of this diaper bag, it does have a handle. So this is a zipper compartment right here on the side that I do not use for anything. I tried to put the changing pad in there, but it didn't fit. And I just think if you put something there when you're wearing it as a backpack, you're gonna be able to feel it, so I don't like that. Let's just go inside of the bag. So the zippers go to like the halfway, so you can see everything here. You can just fold it like this, and you will be able to see and find stuff easy in your bag. It does have like a, I guess it's like cotton material with brown and white lines, and then inside it has, I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets all around, like 2 on the sides, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then it has a zipper pocket that I do not like. I believe the zipper should be up here instead, but anyway, let me show you how I have it packed. If you have seen my other videos, it's pretty much the same things that I carry and just a few extra things because I was gonna spend the whole day at my mom's house. So this is what I have. I have here a blanket. I have here a medium set of Donutella sweet shop, and inside of here I carry some toys. I have a theater, I have some cards for him to learn colors and numbers and stuff like that. I have this thing that he likes to spin all the time, and I have one of these cars from VTech Go-Go cars, I believe it is. Then I have 2 large sets. On this one right here, it's the Rainbow Dreams. I have random stuff. I have just 1 extra diaper, size 5. I have a pack of Honest Company wipes. I have some shorts and a onesie. And on this one, I just carry some like a med kit kind of things, band-aids and stuff like that. Then on these Happy Hearts, I usually carry my diaper essentials. Right now I only have 2, but I carry up to 4 diapers. I went to my mom's house like I mentioned before, so I already used 2 diapers, but I usually put 4 diapers. I have a towel here, my changing pad from the B-Sporty in Sushi Cars. I have the trash bags and some Desitin. And then I have a book because he had been liking this book a lot. It's Hey Diddle Diddle, and it has some texture on every page and he likes it a lot, so I am bringing this everywhere with me now. And then I have this Sophie the Giraffe because he is thin. He actually have 1 tooth in the bottom, and then I believe another one is coming up. Then I have this theater as well, and this plays music when you press here the belly, and this moves as well, so he enjoys this one a lot. And that was on these 2 pockets right here. And on these 2 pockets I have wipes. I just have the Wipouch with wet ones, and then this one is just the men pacifier wipes, so just to clean the pacifiers or like any feeding toys that I have to clean. And then on this zipper pocket I have my wipe pouch with normal wipes to change. It's the Honest Company wipes to change his diapers or just to use them randomly. And then inside of here I also have his shoes that sometimes I just take him out without shoes, and if we're going to a store, if he wants to walk, I just put this. He doesn't walk yet. I mean, if he just wants to be on the floor or something, I put shoes on him. And I don't like that zipper pocket because if I put anything in here, the zipper pocket will be blocked. So that's something I will change of this diaper bag. I will just put the zipper up here instead of down there because you're losing that pocket there. And then on this side, I have food for him. I carry either apple or any kind of food that I'm giving him that day, and then a spoon and a bib, and that's all I have. So let me show you. I think you can see it pretty easy. It has 2 pockets right here that are elastic, but the medium set will fit, but the large set will not fit in there. Let me just show you. So in case you use medium sets, you can just put them in there, very easy. Let me just turn this around so you can see. So a medium set does fit there. The white pouch fits in there, but you have to play with it, and I don't like having to struggle with my wipes because I like those handy, very handy. So I don't put them in there, I just put them in the zipper compartment. The large set I try, actually, see, I mean, it does enter, but I only have 2 diapers in here. Usually this thing is fully packed with diapers, so I don't think it will fit in there when I have the 4 diapers in. And then in the bottom of this diaper bag, what I did was put the changing pad that comes with this diaper bag, but I do not like the changing pad, but I like putting them in the bottom so it will give more structure to the bag. Something else I wanted to mention about this bag now that it's empty is that it has some D-rings right here on the sides. One is in the back, you see here, and the other one is in the front. So pretty much there are some bags, or I guess it's like Michael Kors and other brands that carry these bags like that. It's not my favorite style. I prefer the D-rings on both sides, but I guess because of the zipper, it goes so down that they can't put it down here. But I would prefer the D-rings higher. That's just my preference, I would say, to keep it as a messenger strap. But anyway, it's kind of a big bag, so I don't think I will be carrying it as a messenger strap. Probably I'll be using it as a backpack. I'm not sure if I will be keeping it. You let me know what you think about this bag. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions, let them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!